everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. So we all know that INICET counseling is just around the corner, going to start from 6th of August. And with the counseling starting, there are a lot of questions which are being asked by a lot of students who are going to participate in the INICET counseling. Questions like when they should be paying the 3 lakh rupees, whether it has to be paid before the counseling, after the allotment of the result, how one would be participating in the open round of the counseling, what is the condition for the open round of the counseling, what are the discontinuation bond if they take a seat right now and then they leave it later on, and what would be the cutoffs and what type of colleges to be choosing, these all questions coming up. So we have decided to come up with a video where we would be answering questions about your normal round of the counseling, exactly what are the conditions for the round 1 of the counseling, round 2 and open round, what are the bond conditions, that is bond condition means bond breaking penalty if you leave the course midway. So these are the things which would be coming in my next video. We are making a short video of 10 minutes so that it is not cumbersome to understand the process. Now basically in this video I would be touching about the topic which has always been asked, that what would be the cutoff of particular branches. Guys, one thing for very sure, don't blindly follow the cutoffs of previous year. Cutoff should only be used as a condition or as a pattern of understanding how the movement happens. But cutoff is basically not the sole criteria of admission, firstly. Secondly, cutoffs keeps on changing, especially in PG admissions. There are reservations, then there are roster methods which are followed for JIPMER, then there is no EWS category in PGI Chandigarh, then there is internal PG quota in your AIMS Delhi and your JIPMER where you have internal PG seats. So you need to look into these conditions also. Then there would be some branches which were there in January session but might not be added in this session, or there might be a seat reduction, or in the roster method the seats might not be added in that particular branch. So there are a lot of factors which has to be considered while you are doing your choice filling and not completely a cutoff based choice filling. Secondly, while you are doing a choice filling, please fill the options which you are actually interested in. Prioritize your choices because there is no limit to your choice filling. You can fill n number of choices, but in AIMS INICET counseling, there is no option to reject the choice which you have been offered. Either you have to take choice option 1 that you are satisfied and don't want to participate in the counseling, or you need to opt for choice 2. That is, you will book a seat and will go for upgradation. There is no option for leaving the seat. So please prioritize your choices. Thirdly, the question always comes in, which AIMS should we prefer? Should we prefer peripheral AIMS or not? Whether those are good or not. Always understand, you have to choose a college on the basis of the quality of the college in terms of the clinical hands-on you are getting, academics to some extent, but not so much, but to some extent definitely academics plays a role. Mostly we have seen students leaving AIMS or peripheral AIMS on the basis of location, that the students are not able to adjust after a certain point in time, even after getting their desired branches. So you need to make a choice that if you're taking a college, it has to be the place where you would be easily able to settle or you will be able to adjust to. We have seen so much of withdrawal happening because the students are not able to adjust at a particular location. Also, when I talk about whether you should be taking a peripheral AIMS or not, see, it is completely your decision. If you've got a particular rank and if you're interested in taking a seat and you are like someone that, okay, I have to get a seat right now in my hand, then you should go forward and take admission. In terms of your whether you should go for peripheral AIMS or not, if you ask any student with you, they would just say that that's just a brand name which is happening. But I can suggest you one thing, that still AIMS are still developing, the newer AIMS are still developing, but still they have got a lot of funds with them. So definitely they are in a decent good position. Somewhere like a good state government medical colleges, but definitely not all AIMS, but AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Bhopal, these are good AIIMS, where a lot of question has a doubt, a lot of students have a doubt whether they should be taking the AIIMS or not. So please take college based upon your preferences. Secondly, lastly, I would be ending the video, but I would put in one thought for you. There are a lot of students who say that whether college should be preferred or branch should be preferred. I personally, my team personally feels that branch is something which will stay for you for long. If you get a desired branch you have always been wanting, go forward and take a branch, because branch is something which you will be married to the branch. It will stay with you for lifelong. You would be associated as a doctor for that particular branch. So think before taking a college, because this college you are getting after all your efforts and hard work being happening, and also because of so much of stress there had been because of the delay and postponement in the exams. So ending the video over here and coming up with more videos regarding your INICET counseling process. So please, if you still have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any information regarding the counseling process of INICET or NEET PG. Secondly, if you still have any doubt regarding INICET or something related to that, please feel free to get in touch with us. Our executive will take care of all your questions and queries. You can call us at 011-450-81755, or you can Google us at www.gyanshetra.com. Till then, all the best for your INICET counseling, guys. Now it's just around the corner and the session has just begun.